Looking for the best high-pressure shower head to upgrade your bathroom experience? You're in the right place. On this channel, we bring you daily quality reviews and recommendations to help you choose the best products for your home and lifestyle. Stay tuned as we highlight the top options that deliver powerful water flow, durability, and style. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product insights. Number 1. Waterpik Power Spray Plus Original Massage Shower Head. Those shopping for an excellent yet affordable high-pressure shower head may wish to check out this Waterpik model. The handheld shower head is Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) WaterSense certified for demonstrated water savings and shower performance. It features a 5-foot-long hose to provide plenty of range for bathing kids and pets, while also making cleaning the shower easier. 4 spray modes include full body coverage, strong pulsating massage, slow massage, and full body with massage combo. The packaging, unfortunately, was frustrating to open. Do so carefully in case returning the product becomes necessary. We found the shower head to feel very light and were concerned at first when we heard a rattling sound upon taking it from the box. However, that sound is due to a small part inside the shower head that creates the pulsing sensation of one of the spray settings. It is not a defect. Number 2. Moen Engage Eco Performance Handheld Shower Head. Moen's handheld shower head offers freedom and flexibility. The base features a magnetic docking system that allows the business end to be quickly detached for handheld use. When done using, simply put it back into the dock and let the magnet snap it into place. The magnet holds firmly, so a bit of force is needed to pull the shower head from the mooring. But once in hand, the weight feels balanced and comfortable. Even when slippery with soap and water, it's easy to hold on to. A 5-foot interlocking spiral metal water supply hose provides ample reach. The 3.5-inch diameter spray head features 6 unique spray functions to provide a customized shower experience and optimal force. Our testing found that the shower head offered everything from a gentle rain shower, perfect for bathing small children, to a high-pressure stream that leaves adults feeling squeaky clean and refreshed. Number 3. Delta H2O Kinetic Intuition 5-Setting Dual Shower Head. A handheld and overhead all-in-one, this Delta dual shower head can be used in 2 basic ways, plus 5 spray choices make for a luxurious, customized shower. The dual shower head can be securely docked overhead or easily detached for handheld use with a separate stainless steel hose. A powerful magnet holds the shower head precisely for easy docking, even if the bather's eyes are closed. The flexible, high-quality hose bends easily. The lever for changing settings moves smoothly, and installation of the unit is a breeze. Delta's H2O Kinetic Intuition Dual Shower Head provides 3 times more coverage than a standard shower head, with a unique wave spray pattern and larger water droplets. This EPA WaterSense certified dual shower head system offers 4 different spray settings, plus a pause setting, which saves water by temporarily reducing flow rates to a trickle while lathering or shaving. The spray settings glide rather than click for a more customizable shower experience. Number 4. Rainfall Combo Shower Head. The AquaDance high-pressure shower head is actually 2 shower heads. They can be used together for a fully immersive experience or separately for a more traditional shower. The larger shower head is 7 inches in diameter, providing a wide spray area, while the 4-inch shower head is a handheld wand with a 5-foot hose that allows for more ease in rinsing. Each shower head has 6 spray settings, so when using them together, it's possible to combine settings for a truly personalized experience. The click lever dial is easy to move, even with slippery fingers. Our testing found that the water pressure dropped a bit when both shower heads were running, as might be expected when the same amount of water is being forced through more space. Those with low bathroom ceilings might have trouble with installation for this one, as the handheld wand sits higher than the larger shower head. Number 5. AquaCare High Pressure Hand Shower and Tile Power Wash. This clever handheld shower head isn't just great for a terrific bathing experience, it also speeds up and simplifies the chore of cleaning the shower. That's because there's a tile cleaning mode among the spray options on the nozzle. For luxurious showering, there's a wide rain spray pattern for maximum coverage, massage settings, mist settings, 2 combination settings, and a pause setting. During testing, we loved the versatility and performance of this handheld. Like most handheld shower heads, the AquaCare attaches to the shower spigot via a bracket. We found it to be easy to remove and replace, and we liked the broad range of adjustments on the bracket that allowed us to direct the spray for shorter and taller occupants. The wide range of settings provides plenty of pressure and good coverage for a handheld shower head, though it didn't compare to the coverage from some standard shower heads we tested.